Hi, I'm Lucas Lenarduzzi, Service Manager at Overseas Motors Mercedes Benz, and today I will be talking about maintaining a high resale value on your vehicle. Have you ever wondered why you need to consider your resale value? Well, here at Overseas Motors Mercedes Benz, we're here to answer your questions. You might not think that the resale value is all that important, especially if you're one of those people who drive the vehicle until it doesn't work anymore. While you may never resell your vehicle, its value is connected to the trade-in value. So, what are some of the ways that can keep the value up? First, know which vehicles retain their value. Certain vehicles simply do not retain their value over the years. Doing your research beforehand is the best way to save money. When you think of your vehicle as an investment, it makes more sense why you would want to buy a good model. Now that you have a good model and realize that it is an investment, you need to maintain it. What are some of the basic things you can do? Keep the vehicle clean. Don't eat, drink, or smoke in the vehicle. This will keep unpleasant smells from being in the vehicle. Also, keeping it free from smells will make your ride more pleasant. Next, avoid excessive wear and tear. Maximize your trips to avoid longer ones. Keeping your mileage low will help retain value. Gain speed slowly at intersections and brake gently. Fight rust. This is especially important for those of us who live in northern areas. Road salt takes a toll on our vehicles, and one of the best ways to minimize rust is to wash your vehicle regularly. Also, check for chipping paint or for scratches, as these are the areas where rust will begin. Another way to protect your resale value is to store the vehicle properly. In our colder climates, having a car remain outside in all weather does as much for wear and tear as driving the vehicle does. If you do not have an attached garage or freestanding one, a simple step is to simply cover the car with a car cloth. For your safety, as well as maintenance, just keeping the vehicle regularly serviced will do much to maintain the value. This includes making certain the headlights are polished and working properly. Also, checking fluid levels and tire pressure will greatly help maintain the vehicle. Before selling a vehicle, check the body of the car: paint, rust spots, lights, and handles. If there are things that need to be replaced, have us take a look at it. An important thing to remember, no matter what, is to avoid damaging the wheels. While the damage to the tires can normally be repaired, the wheels and axle may not be as easily repaired. Lastly, avoid repairing your vehicle. Unless you are a mechanic, it is always better to bring your vehicle to a certified mechanic. Here at Overseas Motors Mercedes Benz, we want you to have the most for your vehicle. If you follow these suggestions, you will be able to maintain your vehicle for a long time. Thank you very much, and drive safely.